Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to set M code for part count. Switch to MDI mode. Press Offset button. Press Settings soft key. Input 1 in parameter right. Press System button. Under parameter screen type 6710. Then press number search key. Input 30 or any other number. Now my part gets counted whenever M30 is read in program. Now switch to auto mode. Press position button. You can see that the current part count value is 27. Press program button. Press cycle start. Once M30 is read, part count increased to 28. Press program button. Press cycle start. You can see that the part count is again increased to 29 when M30 is read. Thank you for watching the video.